Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be talking about the newly launched Xiaomi Smart TV, the X Pro series, which just launched recently at the Smarter Living event. And there are three sizes for this X Pro series, and they are 43 inch, 50 inch and 55 inch. And we're going to do our experience with the 55 inch TV. Now we have the TV in the background, so you can see here this is the Smart X Pro series, and we got the 55 inches, which is priced 47,999, and there is also the 50 inch, which is priced 41,999, and we have the 43 inch price 32,999. So this very attractive pricing, and this comes with a really great features, bezel design, far field microphones, 4K, then you get the Google TV interface, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, 40-watt speakers. So really power packed in terms of the features and specs being offered. So let's see how the experience turns out. So we're going to do our experience with this Smart X Pro series from Xiaomi. So let's begin. So before that, if this is first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So remember, this is Xiaomi's first smart TV with the Google TV interface. Previously it had the Android interface. There isn't much of difference other than the minor changes. Now you also get the Patchworld, that's Xiaomi's own interface. So both of that are there. So let's begin our experience with this TV. So let's talk about the hardware offered. So this is a 4K Ultra HD TV, 3840 by 2160 pixels, bezel-less design. It has Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10 plus, HLG support, and Vivid Picture Engine 2 is the picture engine. Color gamut up to 94% NTSC. Then you get adaptive brightness levels, refresh rate is 60 Hz, MEMC support is there. Then 40-watt speaker output on the 50 and 55 inches and 30-watt on the 43 inch. Dolby Atmos and Dolby Audio is supported. Then the OS is Google TV, and you also get the Patchworld interface. Now the CPU is quad-core A55 CPU, and the GPU is Mali G52 MP2. Now RAM is 2GB RAM, and you get 16GB internal storage, and you also get 2x2 MIMO Wi-Fi, 5 GHz support is there, dual band Wi-Fi is there, Bluetooth 5.0. Then you get Chromecast built-in, and Google Assistant support is also included. That's the hardware aspect of this TV. The Xiaomi Smart X Pro series comes with the Google TV. Now this is quite different from the Android TV which we have seen on previous Xiaomi devices. Now the Android TV has a slightly different interface, and Google TV has a different one. So this is the Google TV interface. Now setting up the TV is pretty simple. All you need to have is the Google Home app, and once you are install the app on your smartphone, you can just pair it with searching the app, and then you can scan the QR code, and you can transfer your Wi-Fi account and your Google account to the TV. And once the setup is done, you will have all your account in the TV. It's a very seamless process. If you don't want to do with the Google Home, you can also manually set it up. So this is the primary interface of the Google TV. You can see here Google TV mentioned. You can search for movies, and you can see the curated content from different platforms. You can see here Xiaomi TV Plus app, the Patchworld is there, then other apps are pre-installed. The Netflix app is there, YouTube, Jio Cinema, Hotstar, Prime Video, Z5, Voot, Apple TV is there, YouTube Music. So these are some of the pre-installed apps. You can also see all the pre-installed apps. You can see there is File Manager, Media Player, Miracast support is there, TV Manager, and you also get this user manual. So these are the apps you get pre-installed. And if you go to the Play Store, you can install a lot of apps. You can see here there is an option to search for apps and games. You can see here you can search for apps and games, and you can install from the App Store. And this is kind of similar to the Google TV interface, so the App Store, where you can install your needed apps. So this is very useful interface. So it's very clean actually. You also get the recommendations here from different apps, including the content you have been watching. You can see they are categorized and easy to find as well. So these recommendations in the Google TV interface. Now you can also see that there is also the Patchworld option. So if you go here, you can see the Patchworld, or you can use the remote to access the Patchworld. So Patchworld is Xiaomi's own interface onto top of Android or Google TV. Now you can see here Patchworld is more categorized. Actually, you get the movies, shows, music, live, sports, and the kids program. And if you go to the movies, you can see different languages. It's sorted based on the language. You can see the top movies, the featured movies, trending movies. You can search movies by genre. Then you get popular movies. Different collections are also there, making your searching experience much easier. You can now, there is also global search. If you want to search across different apps, that's also included. So it's one of the really useful interfaces. The Patchworld, which has been there for a pretty long time, and it is still one of the really good interfaces. So that's the Patchworld interface on this Xiaomi TV X Pro series. Now talking about the ports and connectivity, you get 3 HDMI port, 2 USB port is included. Then HDMI version is 2.1 and eARC support is also included. There is also ALLM support, and you also get far field microphone. Then you get Ethernet port, optical port, and 3.5mm audio jack port is also included. So it's pretty well equipped in terms of ports and connectivity. So now let's talk about the picture quality. Now this is a 4K Ultra HD resolution display. Now the resolution is 3840 by 2160 resolution. So it's one of the really good panels, and this is definitely one of the brightest panels as well. Now you also get the ambient light sensor, which adjusts the brightness according to the condition. So it's very good panel, and you also get the Dolby Vision IQ. There is HDR10 plus support, HLG is there, and you also get the Vivid Picture Engine 2, which enhances the quality of the picture, and the colors are really vibrant and vivid and does a really great experience. The sharpness levels of the pictures is good, the contrast ratio is good, the dynamic range is also good because you also get the Dolby Vision IQ. The color gamut is 94% NTSC, which is pretty good, and you also get adaptive brightness, and this is the 60 Hz refresh rate panel. So it's a very good panel, and in fact watching multimedia content on this TV is definitely a great experience overall. And if you are watching 4K content, especially the Dolby Vision, Dolby supported content, then this is definitely one of the great experiences out there. So we are pretty happy with how the TV performs in terms of picture quality and the deep blacks and the color contrast, and the overall brightness levels are really good. Xiaomi is not revealing the exact brightness levels of this TV, but having used this TV, we can say that this is definitely one of the brightest panels out there, and this is definitely a great experience watching movies and other OTT platforms. So next, let's have a look at the sound quality of this TV. It comes with a 40-watt speaker on the 50 and the 55 inches. The 43-inch gets a 30-watt speaker. So let's see how the sound quality is. So next, let's have a look at the build quality. So one thing what you notice instantly when you install the TV is how good looking the TV is, especially the chrome finishing on the TV, and does give a premiumness to the TV. It's a completely metal body, and you can see that the bezels have been given a minimal sides, and the top bezels are extremely minimal for a premium TV, and does give a really great experience. The bottom panel has a Xiaomi branding and the option to turn off or turn on the far field microphone, and even the stand, the desk stand also is finished in metal. So it's a really good finished TV, especially if you're looking for a premium build to showcase at your living room. This definitely works in that, because it's a very extremely slim panel, does give a premium finish, and it's completely made with metal. So that's the premium build quality offered. Now talking about the remote of this TV, you can see here this is the quite familiar remote you see on Xiaomi TVs. You can see here the power button and the Google Assistant, then the navigation option, and you get this Patchworld and home button. Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar and YouTube are available here, and you get the volume up and down key. There is no mute button, but you can use the volume down key to mute as well. So it's a very good simple and minimalistic remote which you generally see on any Xiaomi Smart TV. So that's a remote of the Xiaomi Smart TV X Pro series. So that is the detailed aspects about the Xiaomi Smart TV X Pro series, and we have been using the 55-inch TV. and this comes in the different sizes, as I said before. You get 55, 50 and 43 inch, and we have been really impressed with how the 55 inch looks like. The premium build quality, fit and finish, the sound experience is quite okay. The Patchworld experience is definitely good, and probably this is the first time we are seeing Google TV on a Xiaomi TV, and that experience is definitely good. The experience is pretty good. You get nice lag-free experience. You get 16 gigs of RAM and 2 GB RAM, and also the picture quality is definitely good. You get Dolby audio as well as Dolby vivid picture engine, and you also get the Dolby Vision IQ. So overall, it's a really good package at this price segment, and the pricing of these TVs starts at 47,999 for the top end variant. That's 55 inch. The 50 inch is priced 41,999, and the 43 inch is priced 32,999. So it's a really good package out there if you're looking for a premium experience with a smart TV. So that is our experience with the Xiaomi Smart TV X Pro series. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. We'll share the link in the description of this video in case you plan to buy this TV. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.